Gilas girls batter Maldives by 123 points. Ito po ang tournament na ginaganap sa Shenzhen, China. FIBA Women's Under-18 Asia Cup 2024. Ang featured athlete natin yan ay si Jolsen Empreso dahil kaapelyido ko. She went 3 of 4 from the 3-point line, adding 5 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals in the game. The 5'9" forward from Sydney, Australia, ako taga Malinaw, Aklan. Hindi ko alam kung may blood relation kami, but most probably is releasing the opportunity to play for the Philippines in the 5-on-5 after stints in 3x3. It was a dream of mine to represent the Philippines, and since I couldn't do it in 3x3, I really wanted to achieve it in this format. Pumasok na sila sa semis katapos manalo sa Lebanon ng 26 points kahapon.
Good morning.